This short video is about importing tracks into GaiaGPS. Now, in order to do that, you use the little three bars at the top. So I'm selecting the three bars at the top, and you can see down here I'm going to import a file. So I'm going to select the Import a File option. And on these Nexus 7s, we store our information on the SD card in the download folder. That's where we're using for all our transfer. And you can see here's the files that I transferred in using the ES File Explorer earlier. And I'm going to select this track back. So I touch that, and it's now importing that file, and it's successfully imported. So I'm going to go back, use the back button here, to go back to my map. So I've now got a track imported. Now I'm going to go to that track, so I'm going to select up here to the little information about the menu and select Tracks. So I've got Tracks selected. Now I've got the back as my track that's now imported, and I touch that. I touch the back, and you can see I've got options here about guiding to it, exporting, or showing it on the map. So I'm going to touch the Show on the Map so you can see it, and you can see here's the track that's shown on the map from here on Larpenteur back into Skoke Hall. Now what I'm going to do is what if I want to edit this? There's sort of an interesting way you can edit if we go up to the touch here at the three lines and pick tracks. So we're picking tracks, and once we pick tracks, we pick back, and we select our edit option. So I'm selecting the edit, and you'll see I've got a slider bar down at the bottom here and the visually display of my track. So I'm going to take this slider and slide it backwards, and I'll slide it backwards, and you'll see there's a little bit of a delay, but you can see I'm sliding it backwards and then stopping, and you can see that I'm erasing this track from the end. So I'm not erasing it from the start. See, I started up here and ended down here. Now I'm going to put some of the track back. You're getting an idea, so that if you record a little too much information, you could backtrack a little bit to make it a little better. Now, in order to save my change, I have to go up here to Save and touch the Save button. So now I've saved my revised track. So I hope that helps. Now, the other thing is if I want to record a new track, I would touch this. Here I would record a new track, and then I just start walking. And once I finish walking, I could stop it, touch that button again, and I could pause it or finish it or delete it. And in my case, I'm going to delete that new track. Sure, you want to delete? Yes. So you get an idea of the track process in GaiaGPS. Thank you.